Hi everyone, as you can see, I'm going to do another acrylic for painting. I've already mixed up my paints, so I've got a white and I've got pinky colour, purple, well it's actually called Violet Rouge by Great Yarmouth Acrylics, portrait pink, and I've got a raw umber as well. Got no idea what I'm going to do at the moment. This is only my second one, so I want to do this one differently because it's my second one. I have a little colander. Isn't that cool? It's so tiny. I bought this in Wilko's. I can't remember how much it cost, but it didn't cost much. Took the label off, otherwise the middle hole wouldn't have worked. So I'm going to put that on top and see what happens. Do I want to tip it straight in, or yeah, let's do that. So I'm just gonna tip and see what happens. After all, my little creation, isn't it? I've done double the quantity of pink this time because, oh, I really love pink and purples. And I thought it would be an interesting to have some kind of skin tone in there. If you're like me and you like to see faces and things, I'm hoping we might get some facey kind of shapes, which means then we need a bit of umber as well. You never know, might even get some hair shapes. A bit more white. A bit more of this one. As you can see, there's no particular order. And trust me, wherever I am, there's no order, it's always disorder. Thing is, if you don't take some chances in life, especially when it comes to art, you will never know what you could or couldn't do. I'm definitely going to have mixed up far too much paint this time. Or on the last one I put like, I think I could have done with mixing a bit more. So I'm going to the other extreme on this one. You know what? I like actually that picture there. Right, so should we go for it? See what happens. Get ready to catch it, folks. Ooh. See, I like that. Oh, wow. Oh, now that's when you know your table's not straight. See, one thing I didn't think of is what you do with this afterwards. Okay, got some cardboard down there, but that's Get some kitchen roll. Seriously, folks, you can't do this kind of stuff without having loads of kitchen rolls out. Just going to put that on the table there for now. Oh, I love the colours, aren't they beautiful? Before I didn't have enough, so I'm going to make sure I had enough this time. Go on, you can do it. You can go to the edge. Yes, you can. Sorry, you're going to have to excuse my sense of humour. I know, I'm mad. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? If I can coax it to get down in the back corner. Don't want to go there, does it? Why, I wonder? Do you know what, my cake baking icing skills aren't much better than this. Hey, perhaps that's what it is. This is a secret way for the universe to teach me how to ice cakes. The universe already knows I'm very good at eating them. Love the way that cerise pink's coming out. When you watch this online, you watch the videos, it looks like they find it really, really easy to make it do the edges. You know, they just tip it this way, tip it that way. But I've obviously not got very good tipping skills. Either that or the paints are wrong consistency, which very easily could be the case. I'm definitely not an expert at this. It's only the second one I've ever done. I think I'll just do the edges first next time, you know. Whoop. You can always rely on Janette to make a pig's ear of everything. Whoop. The problem is, I don't want it to just look all murky in one colour. So I think that's near enough. Most of the edge done. There's still a couple of places where I can see canvas, so I'd hate to wake up tomorrow morning and all the canvas was showing. Whoops. Imagine doing this with a great big canvas. Right, so that's that all the canvas covered. I've still got a few drips and drops. Let's just see what happens. Waste not, want not, I always say. Especially when it comes to paint. The amount of paintings I've created where at the end of creating a painting I had lots of paint left over. So rather than waste it, I threw it on a blank canvas. What I'll do is in a minute I'll pick it up so that we've got, and give it another tip. Not as in don't let Janette paint with you. I mean tip it as in tipping it up, obviously. Sorry, my sense of humour. Never enough purple in the world. Or sparkle. And a bit of a magpie. Not that I go around stealing shiny things, but if I see something shiny, I really want it. There's quite a lot going on there, isn't there? Ooh. I'm going to pick it up just to let it have a little bit of a wiggle around. Oh, look at that. This is really cool, you know. I can definitely understand why everyone does this. So I can see some of the pattern of the canvas. I'm just going to try and cover that up. Well, I am going to call that one finished. And I really like that. I like the other one, but this one's definitely my favourite so far out of the two. Definitely.